We have free financial counseling that's available for you. Our team is available, is amazing. Not only do we have a technical support team, but we have a whole advising team. So that is happy to help you and advise you. They're on your side. They're not on the school side. They're on your side to kind of be a liaison between you and the school and to help you make the best decision, not for the school, but for you. We are licensed and regulated by the Texas Workforce Commission. So we take that seriously. We want to make sure that you are getting what your career goals are, and we're here to support you through the way. All right, flexible payment plans. So the price for the data analytics program is $19.99, so $1,999, and the payment plans that we have available are as follows. So number one, you can pay upfront by next Wednesday, right? Did I get that right, Shweta and Tyro? By next Wednesday, and take advantage of the early bird special, and you get to keep $199 back. So you get 10% off. You keep that $200. It's the summer. Listen, guys, gas is expensive, right? Save that. Take that money and use it towards your gas so you can spend time with your families driving around and, you know, going, I guess, to the beach or wherever you guys like to go. So that's a small gift to you so that you can be able to stay ahead, register, enroll early. We really believe that this actually works, and it does. When you stay 2 classes ahead at the minimum, it really does help. And so that's our way of encouraging you as a learner and helping you save some money. All right, for the if that's not an option for you, you're not able to pay the full amount, you can pay half of it today and then the other half 30 days after the class begins. And then there's only a $51 admin fee that is assessed. So again, paying half now, and then 30 days later, you get to pay the other half. All right, and then we accept major credit cards. And if you're a veteran or a spouse of an active duty military, of active duty personnel, right? So if you're military, in the military community, you're a veteran or you're a spouse of an active duty military member, please reach out to us. We are offering limited scholarships to our veterans. We've done that for years, but every single month we have scholarships for our military. Please, for this data analytics program. So this cost that I'm talking about here in full will be sponsored to you in form of a scholarship. So that's our way of saying thank you for all that you do to keep us safe. And again, this is for a scholarship for the data analytics program. All right, so we are here to help you graduate successfully and fast. So many opportunities for you to be helped. We have got the Colaberry chat where you keep in touch with your fellow students and your teacher assistants and communicate about your homework assignments, all the needs that you have while you're going through the class. No reason why you should be left behind because the help is there, just a text message away. And then we have homework help sessions that we launched, right? Where you get to spend time with an instructor on the call, just going through homework questions, right? So you post them on the chat and there's a system to do it. It's amazing. We have homework help sessions for each and every one of the program now. That never used to be there back when I was in Colaberry, when I was going through the program. All right, and then we have the video feedback system that you guys saw. If your employer is willing to sponsor you, we offer your employer a 10% discount as well. So the cost to your employer will be only $1,800. And so just wanted to let you know you can reach out to us for that, especially Amazon. If you work for Amazon, please reach out. You should be saving money because they have these scholarships or rather discounts that you can take advantage of. If you self-pay, you get the 10% discount. And if they pay, they get the discount as well. We want to make sure that they feel appreciated as well. All right, and then military scholarships, I already talked about that. The early bird special ends at 11:59 p.m. Central next Wednesday, 11 p.m. Central time. So you pay in full and you get $199 back. If you are a refugee, I know that we have people who are struggling, you guys. We have people who are displaced. If this is your story, please reach out. We are offering scholarships to Ukraine, refugees from Ukraine, from Afghanistan, and other countries. Please reach out. Help is here. All right, finally, as we're closing, these are the dates to remember. your class begins on the 25th. That's why Ali wants to see you on the 25th. He's going to be with you to show you the ropes. And then after that, on the following Tuesday, you're going to be with me. The early bird special is ending on the 22nd of at 11:59 p.m. And then your military scholarship application is due next week as well. All right, questions. Stay with us. Take a screenshot of this page. If you have any questions, email support@colaberry.com or call us at 972-992-1024. Thank you. Welcome aboard. I'm going to now turn it over to, I'm going to go ahead and turn off my presentation here so that we can release you officially. If you don't have any further questions and you're ready to, you know exactly what you need, know that we will be calling you anyway tomorrow to make sure that your questions are answered. Lots of questions come up the day that, after you've, left the open house, which is pretty common. But I wanted to make sure I keep you here for as long as we promised we would. So I'm going to release you officially, and then anyone who has any further questions, we're here to offer you one-on-one support. All right, thank you, everyone. Have a good evening. We're going to transition over to the Q&A session. I see there were some questions on the chat. Do I need a laptop or can I use my desktop computer? Yes, you can use either. You can use your laptop, you can use your desktop computer. We advise that you have a portable mouse, a mouse, whether that be wired or not. And if you have an additional monitor, that's great. If not, don't worry, but we'll go over what else you need. But yes, you do need a laptop or a desktop computer. The cost is $19.99, so $1,999 for the data analytics bootcamp. So that's the first program, that is the 3-month program. And then after that, if you choose, some people just want to get that training and they're satisfied because that's what they need. But then if you're here for career transition and you'd like to learn more about how to get job ready, we have the second course that is the interview preparation bootcamp that you can elect to join. Can people outside the United States enroll in this class? They can if they have a social security number. You have to have a US-based social security number. Very good question. Do you offer on-site sessions? Okay, so since COVID, we have not returned in person just yet, but we are planning to do that. We will keep you posted and we'll make it public when we do go back in person. The location is in Plano. It's an amazing new location. It's a big building. We really are looking forward to going back there. And we are just, trying to make decisions that keep our staff and that keep you safe. How long is the career bootcamp? I believe you're talking about the interview preparation bootcamp. So the interview, just to clarify, the interview preparation bootcamp ends with the career accelerator program that you heard about. So the two of them together are called the interview preparation bootcamp. So that one is self-paced. We have had people who've finished it in about 3 months. Other people have taken longer, in 6 months, some people longer. It just depends on how much time you're willing to dedicate. It is self-paced. Now we've seen that, by the way, just so you know, this program is designed for people who are working, so that you know that if you are working, yes, you can continue to work, but then the schedule is designed in such a way, or rather the program is designed in such a way that you can make use of your personal time to dedicate to it. So 15 to 20 hours is what we ask per week, over and above the instruction that you receive. But back to your question, the interview preparation bootcamp is self-paced, and people have finished within about 3 months, 6 months, some people more, some people 9 months. Yes, very good question. All right. And all right, another question. Can you install SQL on a MacBook? Yeah, you can. And you can use a MacBook for sure. When going through the program, you want to make sure that if you have a MacBook, you want to make sure you install Windows and install Chrome. After Colaberry functions, it does best on Chrome, and you want to make sure that you also download Windows, and our support team can help you with that. In fact, they can even help you tonight if you want it. So we have people who come from the open house and just want to get registered, they want to enroll, and they want to get started, and so we are here to help you with that. And then to let you know what happens after the enrollment, then you get to receive you get to hear from our admissions team. You get to be scheduled for your installation. So we walk you through that. We get you on a Zoom call where we get all of that taken care of for you, remove any errors that you might be having. So we literally walk you through the process. We don't want you to stress over that. We just want you to learn. And of course, we can't promise any jobs. We can't promise any salaries, but what we can promise you is that we work with you until you achieve your career goals. We are not stopping until you achieve your career goals. You have a community, an alumni community of people who were there with me, gosh, even before me, more than 10 years ago, and they're still a part of the community, and we still support them. Some of them are trying to become directors, others are trying to, add more tools, the others come back to join the data science program. And so this is a community that continues to work and upskill and grow and help each other. So we're with you, and we are not leaving them, neither are we leaving you. All right, I would like help with installations, with installing Windows on my Mac. Yes. Okay, so Eritrea, what you will do is you will click on support, on the support button on app.colaberry, but if not, just email support@colaberry.com. Email support@colaberry.com. I'm going to put that on the chat. Anyone who needs any help, support@colaberry.com. This is how it works. So for the initial data analytics bootcamp, this is the one that you're starting here. This will focus on SQL Server reporting services, and SQL Server integration services. So SQL Server reporting services is all the dashboards and the graphs and the pie charts that are used in data analytics, that to analyze data, right? They're used to visualize data. SQL Server integration services is where you mine data from multiple sources, clean it out, and pretty much do your extraction and transforming and loading of data. And then once you graduate from this program, the next program is called the Interview Preparation Bootcamp. So there we have an extensive project that you get to work on. And at the end of that program, when you finish that program, the final piece of the program, that's part of it, the final piece of the program, you get to enter the Career Accelerator Bootcamp. That's where we're getting you specialized in a specific tool. So in Interview Preparation Bootcamp, at the end, you then get to select Tableau, right, which is a data visualization tool, kind of like SQL Server reporting services, but Tableau is one of those. And then there is Microsoft Power BI. Microsoft Power BI is also, of course, it's owned by Microsoft, but it's a very popular data visualization tool. And then there's ClickView as well. And then the other tool that you saw Ali showing is the other pathway that you can choose is data warehousing architecture. So data warehouse architecture, they just focus on extracting, transforming, and loading data. So you get to pick any one of those that you like.
Okay, that's include the 12 weeks. That's correct. Okay.
That is no. This in the 12 weeks. This is you're doing SQL Server reporting services, SQL Server integration services, and then in the next session, which is the Interview Preparation Bootcamp, that's where you get to specialize in a tool. Okay. And then now, like the dashboards that you saw and the presentations that you saw from Tariq and I forget who else was presenting. And they had a Career Accelerator competition, and an employer came and hired one of them right out of it. That would be pretty much where it happens. So that's where the magic happens.
Yeah.
Hey, Shweta.
Hi, everyone.
Hey, Shweta she's our career advising supervisor. We're so glad you're joining us. She's on vacation, looking amazing. You joined us. You're so dedicated. Go ahead, Shweta.
Actually, Nuha, that's me whom you had chat on the Facebook.
And hi.
I was the one. Yeah, that's why I switched my camera on. I'm on travel. I'm sorry. You might be hearing noises around, but it's lovely to be here. I love everyone. Yeah, and Colaberry is great, really.
Yeah, thank you. Actually, you answer all my questions.
Oh, Shweta, I don't know anybody who doesn't love Shweta. Shweta has been with Colaberry for years. Even in our Plano location, I mean, she's just so amazing, so loving, and genuinely loves to take care of people. Like
thank you.
Sold out to helping people. She's not happy if you're not happy. She's not
Yes.
happy if you're not getting what you're looking for. She will not stop until she helps you. We just treat that just so much love. And then Taiwo
Thank
and
you.
the rest of the team, it's just a culture that we have in Colaberry of nurturing, and it's a community and it's a family. So when you join, you know, we treat you as family. That's our commitment to you.
We are here to make your careers. We want you to grow in life and get good salary. That's the ultimate goal of everyone. And we do help you till the end, till you achieve your goals.
Absolutely. And as long as you work super hard and you just trust the process. Of course, we can't promise you the jobs, we can't promise a salary, but we promise you that we are committed to helping you until you can, whatever the goals are, we are here to support those goals all the way through the end. That's awesome. Thank you.
The two things that we say to everyone for you to success in life is just two things: motivation and time dedication. These are the two things that we need from you, and you will definitely succeed in your career and your goals. Definitely.
Thank you so much, Shweta. Shweta also, you know, we promoted her. She's now a supervisor. We're so proud of you, Shweta. She wanted to continue upskilling, so she went through the program. We're so proud. And then Taiwo joined us in. That's another thing, by the way, when you join Colaberry, that when you finish the data analytics bootcamp, you are eligible, or as you're getting close to finishing it, once you get to SQL Server Integration Services, what we call SSIS, you're eligible to apply for a job at Colaberry. And you get to work part-time as a technical support agent. So you interview with us, you send us your resume, you interview with us. And if you get the job, we help you polish up on your technical skills. And as you're working, it's a phenomenal place for you to grow and learn and get ready for a job. And Taiwo was one of those. Taiwo, Farhat, who joined us as technical support agents working part-time. We saw how great they were, and I personally saw how great they were, and Camille and many others. Oh my gosh, so many others. And I hired them full-time. I was like, this is who I need. These guys care about people. I don't hire people who don't care about people. I don't hire people who are not passionate about changing lives. I love people who do that. So congratulations to Taiwo and Farhat. Farhat is our newest hire. So very, very excited about that. Thank you again. Looking forward to seeing you. Thank you guys. Have a good evening, Shweta. Enjoy your vacation.